Okay, welcome to my channel. If this is your first video that you're watching, please go back and watch the welcome video to get some basics on how this channel works. But this series or playlist is 2.2 Algebraic Concepts. And the first number, the 2.2, comes from the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania's breakdown of how they want math done. So this is lesson 2000, Introduction to Algebraic Concepts. So this video is just going to explain how this playlist is going to work. Okay, so here are the four sections under classified under algebraic concepts according to the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. So you have operations in algebraic thinking, expressions and equations, functions, and algebra. So this section will have the most videos. I think there are close to 200 videos on this topic, so this will probably take me months to get through this section. All right, so there will be an objective slide or slides, probably just one objective slides. There shouldn't be more than 3 objectives covered in one lesson. There'll be some vocabulary, and there'll be some rules and notes. So you may see the same vocabulary, rules, and notes repeated or omitted. If you see that, that means that there are a cluster of videos, and I would highly suggest that you watch all the videos that are related together. I'd only do a couple examples and a couple of practice problems. There'll be a pause, and we'll have an example or two. There'll be another pause, and there will be some problems for you to do. No more than 3 to 5. It's about 3 to 5 problems on most of these slides. So not too much to do, just some practice. And then what you'll do is you'll see another pause, and then you'll meet me at the end of the video for a recap of everything. So that's how this playlist works, just like the previous one. So if you need some practice with anything dealing with numbers and operations, please go back and see that playlist for a refresher on things dealing with decimals and percentages and ratios or fractions or place value, any of the things. I'm going to assume that you're strong in all of those areas, and we're going to start out right into expressions in algebraic thinking. So I think the first video deals with simplifying and substitution, and then we move into orders of operations. So once again, thank you for watching this video. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Please go back and watch that welcome video. That's the first video. I want everybody to watch that to understand how this channel works and where I get this information from. So thank you very much.